Aya ni ameba a ikundi itiganite cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi aria marokire kururungana nginyagia nja ya wabici ya munene wa thitango cia muingi makienda riboti ya uthuthuria wa Ngukumio Ya Kemsa kurekererio kuri muingi. Matogoretio ni Shila Masinde, murugamiriri munene wa gikundi ya Transparency International Kenya. Ameba aya maugite makoreto magikinyira wabicino kwa ihinda hatari macokio.
We wrote to the ODPP in March last year, but 15 months later we are yet to receive a response, despite other reminders in between. And we started as a public petition, civil society organizations, to just also get mobilize the public and get their views in regard to this long pending Kemsa probe.
Kuringana na ikundici, Ngukumio iria koretwo igithie na mbere ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri niyo icungiriirie gutharara kwa motungata ma urigitani ari hamwe na unyihu wa ndawa thibitari-ini nyingi.
Right now, if you visit any health facility, you will notice that you can't get TB test, a gene expert test, because there is no money.
Kupata madawa pia ni gumu sana.
Thegia ya uthuthuria urio koretwo githie na mbere gutire riboti o yothe iri yarekererio kuri muingi niguo kumenya haria thirikari ikinyetie mitaratara ya kiwatho ikonie ekoiro a Ngukumio ruhonge-ini rwa Kemsa oduria ikundi ici ciuritie wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi gwika mituki kumenyithia a Kenya kiria kirathie na mbere.
We know their system, we know their processes, but those processes should give us efficiency, and those processes should be able to help us tackle and handle the issues which affect us.
Akiaria thutha wa kwamukira mateta mao, afitha kuma wabici ino ni eranire kuri na mitaratara irathie na mbere ona kuhanora uguo gukioneka kugia na guikaniria kwa wigiririki gatagati ka wabici ya munene wa thitango cia muingi na kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC.
So as soon as the EACC submits the file and covers the point that we were able to raise in our letter dated 10th September 2021, we'll be able to proceed and make the decision to charge.
I want both of you as institutions to address Kenyans on the status of this case.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Yutagugina wa Waduro.